So once again welcome all our viewers of Engineers World Online, and today's video we are showing a special type of sanitizer. So this is a sanitizer. I will open this. Again you can spray your hand like this. You can sanitize your hands. Now some other features of this sanitizer is showing. So if you have a key in your hand, you can insert your key. So this sanitizer is used as a keychain like this. Or you can even place this sanitizer in this area of your trouser. Hope you enjoy this video. For more video updates like this, subscribe and stay with Engineers World Online. Thank you.